This is Rob with Jot and Tittle Typewriters, jotandtittletypewriters.com. We're going to show you how to change the ribbon on an Adler satellite. This is an electric version. So we just start by pulling the cover off. And on this one, you've got little ribbon guides on both sides. So we're going to pull it back, set the ribbon off there. And on the right side, this has got little guides that goes in top and bottom. So we're going to take them out. And that's how you take the ribbon out, and we're just going to repeat that process. Again, on typewriters, if you have a black and red ribbon, the black's always on top, red's on the bottom. So you've got these little guides, so I'll push that one in. And that goes back into place. Now I'll do on the left side. There. And you've got a ribbon guide here on the right. And a ribbon guide on the left. And just put the ribbon through there. Now on this one, you just pull it in from behind and pull it down to the bottom on the left and the right. You pull it down, that pops, and then you can pull it right back up, and that's in place. And that's how you change the ribbon on an Adler satellite. Thank you.